Hey guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 SR. The SR stands for Special Racer, and you can see why. This bike's got a bunch of trick parts on it that you're not going to find on a normal KX 450. From the showroom floor, this bike is race ready. You do get a special graphics kit just for the SR. You're also going to get this full system Pro Circuit TI6 pipe. It's got some cool green accents on it specific to this bike. You're going to get the Hinson clutch cover, so it's going to help with heat dissipation. You're also going to get the red X-Trig triple clamps and the super cool all green Renthal bar pad. This bike does come with a hydraulic clutch. Another thing that they started doing on these, they started doing it last year. You're going to get a Brembo front brake on this bike. You still have a Nissan in the rear, but all in all, super cool bike. The power on these new KXs is super linear, and then all of the parts that they put on this from the factory just makes it even more better. Like I said, this bike's race ready from the showroom floor. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take a look at it, take it out.